welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, she is talking about things. She is encouraging Spice. She said, do not follow the girls in Atlanta. So this is a message to Spice from Marcia. Go and check out the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have a wonderful day now.
About it. Huh? Before that happened to you. Spice, don't follow those girls in Atlanta. Spice, do not follow those girls in Atlanta. Don't follow them. You're a robber and Jamaican. You know where you come from. Don't lose your soul over money. You understand? You know where you come from. And you said once you're hosted Bondong, you don't have nothing at all. And now you have a lot of things. Don't follow those girls. Let me see how call me now. Eh? Who have a nerve to call me now in the early morning? Let me see how call my phone in my early morning, yeah. Hold on there. Hold on there. Let me see who could have called me. Hold on there. Hold on. Let me see if me. Let me see how I call me from WhatsApp. I am on my live. I don't check anything yet. When I finished my live, I didn't even get no phone call yesterday evening. I don't get no phone call, don't get no email. And I don't check it yet. Let me check it and find out what's going on. Only no one hear the truth, you know. Only no one hear the truth. Only don't want to hear the truth. Sugar and Spice, this is not about judging. Judge not, let's see be judged. I don't know where I get phone or philosophy from. Me come out here with my little opinion. We not just as own. So when you go back and judge me, go over Facebook. Me not judge her. We have our little opinion and we are learn to articulate and have observance. God so much wise as a serpent. Nobody not no so when you know when time una talking, una fi talk right. Eh? And when you and this is somebody we come up and talk about say she and Miss Lady a Jamaica friend. She and Miss Lady a Jamaica no friend. Spice friend and big sister and in one and in two girlfriend we have. Eh? You can't come on Facebook and talk about somebody and Spice a friend and Spice never even mention a woman name out. Stop cutting up bullshit. I want to the little non-emancipated people here. Everybody will say hello to people. I congratulate the people. Friend is just calling you honey and baby. Just like Jamaican people nowadays. Jamaican like I sweetheart. I honey. My friend texts me every morning when I tell me hello, good morning, hon. And me even say good morning, babes. And I don't mean that way. Like say nothing. It's just a respect. Friend is friend. Everybody, if you talk to somebody on your phone and you want somebody talk 3 and 4 times with a friend, then I want to get where ass friend from. You ever hear Spice come pass and call her to my name out? Me never hear it, because me now watch her. But you never hear Spice call a woman name out? If you come back and talk about say him and Spice a friend? I want to them rotted people here. And not because, let me tell you something. Not because you like somebody or you admire somebody. And you go around somebody. You're not a friend. Do you know what a friend is? Do you really know what a friend is? A friend is somebody who you can cry on, a shoulder to cry on. A friend who you can tell your secret to, what you're going through life situation, and they won't come talk and tell nobody else. A friend is somebody who you can call and say, listen, it's 2 we got Cayman Islands. And if you don't have the money, she put up the money for you without hesitation and don't want it back. She will buy you a ticket and say, come, me I carry you. A friend is a friend when nothing is too good for you to give to that person. A friend is a friend. You go to a restaurant. You don't have to split no bill. You go next week and pay. Me pay next week. A friend is a friend where you can have confidence in. A friend is a friend where you know, say, if you pass and gone, they will take care of your children as best as you can. Best as possible. Just like you had a children them too. Shut to no blood clot this morning, boy friend. Everybody will call to somebody a friend. So you could tell me, say, everybody will call me in a WhatsApp, me and my friend. Me and my no friend. The people just admire me and bless me up. So all the people will call me and tell me a morning time, Marcia, I hold the faith, I like you and I love you. Me and my friend. Me can't call them friend because them don't know me. A friend is a friend. We make sure so they call you every day. We check up on you. A friend is a friend when you're sick under the hospital. Them force a reach to come sit down on your bedside and feed you with some soup. Them over you. Them all talk to your doctor. Doctor, make sure this. A friend is a friend when the nurse them come, them say, all right, no bother. You know, my friend have a little pump and pride, you know, she not really like somebody to touch her this or whatever. Let me wash her up. She will be more comfortable if me go wash her front for her than you wash her. Let me take a job. Let me clean her behind. She don't want nobody clean her behind because she have, me know that she full of pump and pride. Me we take over the part, they go clean her up myself. A them they call friend. A friend is a friend where if you can't pay your rent and she have the money, you can call her and say, you know what, me know something I have money to pay my rent fund. Me could borrow one little loan from you. And she not have to come tell us, say, listen to me. When me could call somebody else, and give it to hesitation. When I move on the backside from here, I'm moving on the side from here about friend. Eh? People come and go in people's life. I mean, no, and Spice was that in her life. No time at all. Neither nutmeg, neither Spice, neither nutmeg, neither apple, banana, and orange. Nor coconut. Never in her life. And uno people describe as that. Uno is a Facebook followers. That's what you guys is. A Facebook followers. Not more than a Facebook followers that admire a lady in Jamaica. That's what it is. You guys are followers, and because we are a sinner and come short of the glory, we have two sides to us. We have the Satan side and we have the sympathetic godly side. We click in whenever it want to. Some of us, we know how to split justice, just like Moses when he got towards Pharaoh. You understand? We beat and teach. We have common sense like Aaron, following brother. You understand? So I'm saying to you, stop coming on Facebook and call people friend. Stop coming on Facebook and call people friend, honey child. Stop, please come on Facebook and call a friend. We are stars out here. I want to come to watch us. We're giving a joke. We're giving all kind of something. I just want to take it too far. Friends should be on a children and on a husband also. You understand? Me have two women in my life. 3 or 4 or 5 people in my life. When me really and truly can call friend. Me not ask you. I think so. You understand? That when them do things for me, them do things selfishly. Out of them just know that things need to be get done. Me not have to ask. Because if them tell me, I can refuse. So them just take over. Them can look at circumstances and situations and figure for themselves. That's what friends is all about. Stop walking around and calling people friends. You understand? People, the woman is a Facebook celebrity just like myself. And people like us the way we articulate in many different ways. She have her way of deliberating, I have my way of doing things, and we both have followers that admire us. and other bloggers out there. You all follow the same bloggers. You don't like them. If you never like them, you go up on them page. So this friend business as a celebrity known you. That is how life is. Once you become very popular, you're gonna see popular people come around you. That is how the hair wave sets. That's how it's set. When you become popular, people come around you. Do you see the people that come around her? The people who come around her because she's popular. You see a business aspect, right? What they come around, if you get more business. So them not really want to, them not come to her as no friend. They come to her as a business propositions. All the people that ever come around her and laugh up with her, and some of those people that never count her, not even a million blood clot years, if they could not benefit from her. Every last association that she have, and she will come and call those people names. Believe me to her ass clot, them people go back on the yard and laugh for her. All those people